Ever wondered how to make KFC fried chicken at home? As the aroma of homemade fried chicken fills your kitchen, you might find yourself pondering this tantalizing question. Stay tuned as we unravel the secret behind the crisp and savory KFC fried chicken. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. We'll need some succulent chicken pieces, the backbone of our recipe, a handful of flour to give that crispy coating. Don't forget the egg and milk for the perfect batter, and the star of the show, the secret blend of 11 herbs and spices that make KFC chicken so irresistible. This includes everything from savory sage to tantalizing thyme, and even a dash of white pepper for that extra kick. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to prepare the chicken. Start by marinating the chicken pieces in a mixture of egg and milk. This step is essential. It's like sending our chicken to a flavor spa. The egg and milk mixture tenderizes the chicken and helps it absorb all the delicious flavors we're about to introduce. It's a bit like a pre-party for your taste buds. Give it a good mix, ensure every piece is well covered, and then let it rest. It needs at least 30 minutes to soak up all that goodness. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the secret blend of spices. The secret to KFC's irresistible flavor lies in its unique blend of 11 herbs and spices. Mix them with flour, ensuring each grain is imbued with flavor. This coating is the magic cloak for our chicken. Now that the spice blend is ready, it's time to coat the chicken. Take the chicken out of the marinade and roll it in the spice blend until it's fully coated. Ensuring the chicken is thoroughly covered is key to achieving that signature KFC flavor. Now let's fry. Heat your oil to a sizzling temperature, then carefully lower in your chicken pieces. Patience is your friend here. Wait until the chicken turns a beautiful golden brown and the crust is nice and crispy. And there you have it, homemade KFC fried chicken. Enjoy your meal.